1 Minute German, Lesson 9.
Welcome to 1 Minute German. Ich heiße Julia. I'm Julia, your host and teacher, and I'm here to teach you German, 1 minute at a time. We are going to spend 60 seconds learning German, and in this lesson we are learning how to ask people how they are feeling. The clock is ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. A very important question in any language is how are you? It's really useful to be able to make conversation like this with your German-speaking friends and colleagues. Listen to this phrase in German. Wie geht's? Listen again. Wie geht's? Make sure you are raising your voice at the end of the sentence. Wie geht's? Now let's learn some answers to this question. To say you're feeling well, you can just say gut. Try this again. Gut. One more time, and remember to sound like you mean it. Gut. To say you're not feeling good at all, you'd say schlecht. Repeat this again. Schlecht. One more time. Schlecht. But hopefully you'll be feeling fantastic. To say this in German, you could say super. This is one of many ways. Just as in English, there are lots of ways of saying the same thing. Try saying great again. Super. One more time. Super. Okay, let's put this to the test. I'm going to ask you how you are feeling. Wie geht's? Hopefully your answer was super. Time's up. That's all for this lesson. We really do hope that you've been enjoying these lessons and that you feel you're making progress, even if you're just spending 1 minute each time on your German. In fact, it just goes to show what you can achieve in a minute. We'll be back next time with the last lesson in this series. So in the meantime, danke und tschüss!
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.